Hi, welcome to TechTime with Kayla. Today we're at the Axle production line where we manufacture our Class 1 Div 1 explosion-proof lights. Today Terrence, our manufacturing engineer, is going to take us through the build of a 27XL. However, on this line we also build our 27XST, 121X, 24XST, FSEX, FSEX HI, and 24XST HI units.
Today I'm going to build a 27XL, and we begin that process by building our light assembly. So I'm going to start by demonstrating some of the parts we have. I have a lens, LED bracket, LED, circuit board, and a stand light assembly. Now I'm going to start the assembly. I'm going to assemble the bracket and the lens together. The next part, I'm going to install my LED inside my bracket. So now I'm going to grab my circuit board. From the bottom side up, I'm going to grab my 2 wires from my LED, fish them through. Now I'm going to attach my connectors. And the second one to my spade. Now I'm going to take my stand bracket assembly and attach this to my LED bracket. This completes my build, my light assembly. The next part of our build is our dome assembly. There's 4 parts to our dome assembly. We have a dome holder, dome glass, a gasket, and a dome retainer. The first thing I'm going to do is place my dome gasket inside my retainer. Now I'm going to add my O-ring to the bottom of my dome holder. I'm going to add a bead of epoxy, evenly spaced to the interior threads of the dome holder. Now I'm going to add my glass. Now I'm going to tighten this down with my dome retainer. Now we're ready to add a bead of silicone between our dome glass and our dome retainer, and also between our dome retainer and our dome holder. So now we're ready to assemble our bottom housing. I've already installed my puck and my contact underneath. Here's what my puck looks like. Here's what my contact looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to calibrate the height of the puck by using this fixture right here. Sit inside here. I'm going to adjust my puck. Once my puck is calibrated, I'm going to use this bracket. Make sure it doesn't move. Now I'm going to install my wiring harness. After my wiring harness is in place, I'm going to move it over here to our final fixture. Now I'm ready to install the light assembly. Now we're ready to high pod. Now to test. Now I'm going to go back and grab my dome assembly and attach my dome assembly to my bottom housing. One more test. This completes the build of our 27XL.
For additional information on our 27XL and the rest of our Class 1 Div 1 explosion-proof beacons, visit our website at signaling.fedsig.com.